Hello! In this video, let's explore 20 major European airlines. Europe has many airlines operating in various segments, from premium to budget, with a wide range of modern and comfortable aircraft. Are you ready? Let's go! Lufthansa, Germany. This is Lufthansa, the flag carrier of Germany and one of Europe's largest airlines. It is known for its premium service, modern fleet, and extensive global network connecting major cities across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Austrian Airlines, Austria. This is Austrian Airlines, the national carrier of Austria, offering high-quality service and strong connections through its Vienna hub. It is known for its hospitality, European routes, and long-haul international flights. Brussels Airlines, Belgium. This is Brussels Airlines, Belgium's national airline, providing flights across Europe, Africa, and North America. It is recognized for its efficient service and strong presence in African routes. LOT Polish Airlines, Poland. This is LOT Polish Airlines, one of the oldest airlines in the world. It connects Poland to global destinations with modern aircraft and is known for its expanding long-haul network. Turkish Airlines, Turkey. This is Turkish Airlines, one of the largest global carriers with flights to more countries than any other airline. It offers excellent service and a major hub in Istanbul, connecting Europe with Asia and beyond. TAP Air Portugal, Portugal. This is TAP Air Portugal, the national airline of Portugal, known for its strong transatlantic routes. It connects Europe with South America and Africa, offering comfortable service and modern aircraft. Ryanair, Ireland. This is Ryanair, Europe's largest low-cost airline, famous for its ultra-low fares and extensive route network. It focuses on budget travel, offering affordable flights across hundreds of destinations. British Airways, United Kingdom. This is British Airways, the flag carrier of the United Kingdom, known for its premium cabins and global network. It operates from London and offers high-quality service to destinations worldwide. Air France, France. This is Air France, the national airline of France, offering a wide range of international and domestic flights. It is known for its elegance, comfort, and strong hub at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. KLM, Netherlands. This is KLM, the flag carrier of the Netherlands and one of the oldest airlines still operating under its original name. It provides reliable service and a strong international network through Amsterdam. Aer Lingus, Ireland. This is Aer Lingus, Ireland's national airline, known for its transatlantic flights and friendly service. It connects Europe with North America while offering a comfortable and efficient travel experience. Wizz Air, Hungary. This is a fast-growing, low-cost airline based in Hungary. It focuses on affordable travel across Europe, especially in central and eastern regions, with a modern and efficient fleet. Swiss International Airlines, Switzerland. This is Swiss International Airlines, the national airline of Switzerland, known for precision, quality service, and comfort. It operates a strong European and intercontinental network. Emirates, strong presence in Europe. This is Emirates, a global airline based in Dubai with a strong presence in Europe. It connects many European cities with Asia, Africa, and Australia, offering luxury service and modern aircraft. easyJet, United Kingdom. This is a major low-cost airline in Europe, known for its affordable fares and extensive short-haul network. It operates from multiple bases and serves popular travel destinations. Vueling, Spain. This is a Spanish low-cost airline based in Barcelona. It offers flexible and affordable travel across Europe, with a focus on both leisure and business passengers. Scandinavian Airlines, Scandinavia. This is Scandinavian Airlines, the flag carrier of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. It provides efficient connections across Europe and long-haul routes, known for reliability and Nordic service quality. Iberia, Spain. This is the national airline of Spain, offering extensive routes between Europe and Latin America. It is known for its strong Madrid hub and comfortable long-haul services. Norwegian Air Shuttle, Norway. This is a low-cost airline known for its affordable long-haul and short-haul flights. It focuses on efficiency, modern aircraft, and competitive pricing. Finnair, Finland. This is the national airline of Finland, known for connecting Europe and Asia via the shortest northern routes. It offers high-quality service and efficient travel through its Helsinki hub. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.